In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up checkout settings in Shopify. To begin, go to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Checkout. This section contains the checkout options for your store. The first setting you'll see is the customer contact method. Here, choose how customers will receive order updates and shipping notifications. You can select whether customers use their phone number or their email address during checkout. Choose the option that best fits your store's requirements. Next, look for the option that allows customers to track their orders with the Shop app. If you want this option available, enable it. This will display a link on the order status page that customers can use for order tracking. After that, review the customer account setting. Here you can decide whether customers must sign in before completing checkout. If you want customers to sign in before purchasing, enable this option. If not, leave it disabled. Continue down to the customer information section. For the full name setting, choose whether you want to collect only a last name or both first and last names. Select the option you prefer, then review the company name field. You can set it as optional, required, or not included. Choose the setting that matches your store's needs. Next, check the address line 2 option. This field can be set as optional, recommended, or according to your preference. Select the option you want customers to see during checkout. After that, locate the shipping address phone number setting. Here you can choose whether the phone number is not collected, optional, or required. Select the setting you prefer. Scroll further down to the marketing options section. If you want customers to see a checkbox for email marketing or SMS marketing during checkout, enable the appropriate option. You will also find the tipping section. If you want customers to have the option to leave a tip, enable tipping. You can configure the available tip amounts or allow customers to enter their own amount. Next, review the checkout language setting. Select the language you want displayed during checkout. Continue to the Advanced Preferences section. Here you can manage shipping and billing address settings and configure add to cart limits. Review these settings and make any adjustments you need. You can also review the success notification settings and checkout rules. Configure any available options according to your store requirements. Once you've finished reviewing and updating all of your checkout settings, save your changes. That's all there is to setting up checkout settings in Shopify. After saving your preferences, your checkout configuration will be updated and ready for your customers to use. Thank you for watching.